congratulate Chief Minister Mamata Bandyopadhyay for her third term. I express hope and expectation that governance will be according to Constitution and rule of law. India is a great democracy where power emanates from process of law. We are at the moment in a very difficult crisis. I am getting reports from within and outside the country. People are worried. I have been in touch with the Honorable Chief Minister. She has taken steps. When I indicated to her, our first priority is we must bring end to this senseless violence, horrendous violence that has affected society at large. Post-poll violence, if it is retributive, is antithetical to democracy. I have every hope that the Chief Minister on urgent basis will take all steps to restore rule of law and ensure that those who have been hurt, particularly children and women, relief is accorded on a priority basis. I would also expect from the new government a new commitment, a new approach of cooperative federalism. It's a country where we survive only by adherence to constitutional prescriptions. I have every hope the Chief Minister, my younger sister, would rise to the occasion. It is not usual for a person to get a third term in a row, and I'm sure she would do it. There are occasions when the state faces a crisis. We have to rise above partisan interests. We have to reach a level where governance reaches to expectations as per our preamble. My best wishes, ma'am, to you, to your entire team, and I'm sure you will script a new governance pattern where there will be cooperation from one and all, and the state will prosper and go ahead. Thank you so much. My greetings to all of you on this occasion.